Yeah. We're leaving McDonald's.
Tulog na ata.
Yes.
Bilis na. Oh. Piglit na.
McDonald's.
Meron na mas sa ulama.
Yes.
Isang stop.
You guys are lucky today.
Yes. Ay, ipopost ba? Lulu. Here's the way. Lead the way.
Where's your apartment? Right there.
Hindi, sa namin.
Let's go.
Hindi po na tayo liliban dito para doon na lang tayo maglakad.
Doon na lang tayo tumawid. Doon na tayo tumawid.
Sa beach.
Oo.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Sige, mag-English kayo.
Sayonara. Ang ganda ng salpubat.
Hindi ito kagaling.
Daiwa. Daiwa.
Yeah, that's your house.
Daiwa?
Yeah.
Daiwa.
It's far. Not really far. But yeah. Straight from...
KFC.
I haven't had KFC.
KFC. Yeah.
Oh my god. Oh my god, what?
Oh!
Spring. Yun yung nag-momamiji.
Apina. The game center. Tokyo? Yes. In Shinjuku. Shinjuku Station. There's a lot of shop, big shop like Adidas, Nike. Yes.
It must be like a lot of shops and lights.
Yes. It's so crowded in the night.
It doesn't feel like Japan here.
Good.
We need donation of blood. Donation of English
Yeah, donation of English word and Nihongo.
I'm gonna put you in place. Which place do you want? What place do you have been? California? Ah! In my dream. In your dream. Kumain ka na dyan? Pizza. Masarap. Parang dami
Yes.
Sarap. Dahil mga dapa ka doon. Baka naman. Sarap. Pizza lo. Pizza lo.
Ihatid namin yung friend namin na si Rai sa kanyang apartment.
Nagkita-kita slice lang, oh.
Kasi mag-isa lang siya. Eh, marami kami. So, ihatid namin siya sa kanila.
Pwede ka naman mag-request na 6 slice lang ang gawin.
15% tayo.
Mura lang ako.
15% off take out. Oh, ano?
Oo, siya nangunguna. Oh.
Wala ako ang pera.
Oh. Iiwan ka na namin dyan. Ano yun?
Oh yeah. You want to buy something? No. I think it's expensive. Yeah, it's expensive. It's thanks to the Japanese.
Yeah, I brought sushi yesterday from Japan, and that only costed me like 600.
Really?
Yeah,
Does it taste good?
not really. I like this better. I like
The one she made or the one you bought from the Japanese?
the ones you made me.
She's gonna make it again.
Where's
Tama
your
ba tayo?
apartment?
I saw
Do we
you
cross
last time.
here?
I saw you last time.
Oh.
Our boarding house is there. I can see you. You
Yeah.
walk through there.
I
saw you. I what? You call me? That's my nickname in the Philippines. Oh yeah.
nickname.
Mm-hmm. I have lots of nicknames.
Ay.
Go.
No!
No.
Right now.
No.
Yeah, go.
Oh, yeah, go.
Yeah.
Yeah, go!
Cousin? Oh, we look like each other. We look like the same.
Oh, sibling.